What's up, everybody? My name is Steven Sanchez. Thank you for joining memberships. I'm going to be illustrating a profile headshot today because somebody requested it. I'll put the name right there. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to all of those who are actually helping me out with this month of March, and we're going to get straight into it. Down here on the iPad, I have created a nice section so you guys can follow along. Just in case if you don't know how to do this, I'm going to teach you real quick. Open up Procreate. If you have Procreate, pretty sure Photoshop does this too, which is the symmetry tool. I'm going to turn on the drawing guide, edit drawing guide, symmetry, and then hit done. And then this way, as you can see, I can draw whatever I want on one side, and it's going to appear on the other side. So what I'm going to do is illustrate a quick, fun headshot of a female, so you can utilize this for your designs. Once your headshot is designed, now you can do the profile view. I'm going to show you how to do that. In Procreate, I'm going to shut off the drawing assist because we're not going to need the symmetry tool anymore. Now we're going to be able to draw on one side. I'm going to create a new layer so I can draw the lines so we can make sure that everything is aligned correctly. So with that done, we're going to do a new layer so then we can illustrate the profile view. Okay, once you have the rough done, then we're going to go ahead and do the cleanup. Okay, the whole purpose of this is to go ahead and now create whatever you'd like to create on top of it. We're going to bring down the opacity. 20-30% is fine. Create a new layer, and then we can just have fun. At this point, you can make the ears big, smaller. It's not going to matter because you're going to have a template. So if you wanted to make a creature, let's say, for example, a gargoyle-like creature, then you can go ahead and add all the freaky deaky stuff you'd like. And even create the mouth open if you like. The point of this is so you have an actual template to utilize, so it helps you create faster and you don't have to continually do the headshots over and over again. If you're a novice, your best bet is, yeah, try to redraw over and over again because you're going to need all that time invested into it. But if you're intermediate and you're trying to get something done faster, this is a perfect way of doing it. So now you can go ahead and design the way you'd like. Add hairstyles, move the template wherever you need to on the page, copy it, do what you need to do in order to get that character design going. On the HonestandProductions.com website, I do have 5 free templates that I posted. So if you'd like to download those and use those, they're there. So now that you have a quick character design done, you can now shut off the layer and create a brand new layer and continue the process with something more ordinary or more drastic. So I hope this helped you out. And if you'd like to download this, I'll probably post it up with the free stuff that I have over on Honest as well. But for the most part, you can create your own or just download free stuff online. There's most likely template headshots everywhere. So as the time goes on, over on the Honest and Production site, I'm going to go ahead and upload more headshots. Some will be for sale, as I will be doing it in bulk, and some will be free. So be on the lookout for all those things. That does it. So we're done. We're good. Hopefully you got something out of this, and thank you once again for being a member. See you in the next video.